Well, greetings and salutations, test takers. This is the Series 7 Guru coming to you from my studio here in fabulous Las Vegas with another explication request for you test taking weekend warriors. This is Kaplan QID 131-12618. If you don't have a Kaplan Q Bank, I highly recommend it as a paid supplement. It's the best Q Bank in the business. I also recommend the quick sheets. My 10% discount code at checkout is Guru10. We will help you for any question with any questions, but it's easier if it's Kaplan because I can bring it up with the QID backstage and explicate it for you for that commercial. Kaplan allows me to give you a free look on Kaplan content. The best free supplement to your paid study materials is my YouTube channel. All right, on Monday, June 1st, an investor pays $92 to purchase a J&J municipal bond maturing July 1st, 2030. Now, I always think you should read the first sentence and just kind of get, what you think is going to be a setup here. We don't know yet, but there's a lot of information. First thing, they gave me the trade date. They gave me the price. They gave me the coupon. They gave me the dates it pays interest, January 1st, July 1st, and they told me it's maturing. Boy, that's a lot of stuff. All right, let's leave this for second sentence. Purchasers of bonds paid accrued interest to the seller. Well, now they accidentally gave me some free information. Maybe I didn't know that, but now I do. Thank you very much. In addition to the market price of the bond, thank you very much. That's called to the Uniform Practice Code. Uniform Practice Code says buyers are going to pay sellers the dollar amount of the accrued interest from the last time the bond paid interest up to, but not including settlement. And now we're asked how many days of accrued interest would the seller receive? Okay, well, the first thing is we have to recognize here is we need the settlement. So trade date is when we agree to terms, and trade date was Monday, July 1st, and settlement is T+2. So settlement was Wednesday, June 3rd. So now we're going to count the number of days. I, as the seller, say they were my bonds in January. They were my bonds in February. They were my bonds in March, April, May, and up to, but not including settlement. By the way, January 1st, when I got that check, if I'm the seller, that was for up to, but not including January 1st. I have not been paid for any days in January. So I'm going to get paid the full month. Again, the Uniform Practice Code says every month for corporate immunities has 30 days. We didn't want our high talent men and women to have to remember nursery rhymes and knuckle humps about how many days have September. So all months have 30 days for corporates and munis. When I total that all up, I come up with 152 days, which is the answer to this question. Now, I'd like to show you a shortcut. If you want to use my shortcut, what you do is you take settlement, which in this case was June 3rd. You subtract or minus the last time it paid interest, which in this case is 1/1. And when you take 1 from 6, you get 5 months. 1 from 3 is 2 days. That's called the shortcut. And then you just got to remember that every month has 30 days. So 5 months at 30 days is 150, and then 2 days, 152 days. So again, the answer to this question is 152 days. I think it will be low probability you have to calculate the number of days of accrued interest, but it's very high probability to know the Uniform Practice Code says that corporates and munis have 30 days and that settlement is T+2 and that buyers pay sellers the dollar amount of the accrued interest. Just one more thing here. Had this been a J&J 15, it's not. But on January 15th, that would have been for up to, but not including January 15th, that interest check from the issuer. So there'd be 16 days in January. So just a heads up, that first month is always either going to have a 30 or a 16 if we're talking corporates and munis. All right, well, remember, inch by inch, your Series 7 is a cinch, yard by yard, your Series 7 is hard. And I will be doing a couple more requests here over the next day or two. Bye-bye.